Hello everybody, it is March 8th, 2020 and I'm out on the pond with motor number 2 for today. This is another 1959 Evinrude Sportwin Golden Jubilee 10 horse. This is the one that I did a barrel test on just a few days ago, a week maybe, I don't remember, but I bought this motor for parts, and it had a gear case that was hanging on it by one bolt. It wasn't the right one. I took that apart and it ended up being in bad shape. It had a good gear set in it, forward, reverse gears, clutch dog, prop shaft, all that stuff was fine. Pinion gear was damaged. I found another pinion gear in my parts box and I replaced the pinion gear, actually swapped out the whole gear case. I'm running a 1955 Johnson CD12 5.5 horse gear case on this, stuffed with the 10 horsepower gear set. I had to fit the pinion to get the right fit on it. It was missing the rewind, the rope plate. Got the rope plate from my buddy Ron Baker. Thanks, Ron. It was missing the shift handle. It was missing the side cover to access the shift coupler. You can see that lower unit's green down there. I put a new water pump impeller in this, new coils, points, condensers, plugs, plug wires, rebuilt the carburetor with a new OEM kit, new fuel lines, air lines, cleaned the fuel filter, new fuel filter bowl gasket, and so we're out on the pond today giving a little run to see how it does on the boat. I'm running this thing today on my 1956 Alumacraft Model K. It's a 16-foot boat, and I'm on the little pond. So this motor runs on 24:1. I'm trying to remember to say that in the videos, what the mix ratio is. So anyway, let's give this thing a run and see how it does. I'm going to try to back out of here. I don't know if I can or not with the wind. Yep, it's gonna work. The powerhead on this thing was almost flawless. I just couldn't part this motor out. I had to save it. Got a heck of a hood rattle. Get the turn dialed in and we'll get up past that. Super idle on this thing. Just a little bit too low. I'll start it back up and show you reverse. Got a little sneeze there. Here we go. Back into forward. Alright, that'll do it on this one. I'll get her dialed in better when I get it on the lake. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.